I'll give you one guess as to what holiday is coming up. Here's a hint. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling. That's on tune. From glen to glen and down the mountainside.
I'm so sorry for that.
He's the only person who thinks I can't sing. My mother thinks I sing beautifully.
Yeah, that's his mother.
If you can't tell, it's St. Patrick's Day.
And at our house, that means corned beef.
Corned beef. And you know, it's really an easy recipe to make. You just need a couple of ingredients.
Pickling spice.
Now, you can make this at home as we have you do it in the recipe, or we're not going to tell anybody. You can go out to the store and buy your own. I've done that many a time and perfectly fine.
That's right. Kosher salt, sugar, pink salt, and garlic.
And all you have to do is add the ingredients. Now, this is the long version. All you have to do is add the ingredients to a simmering pot of water until it dissolves. Let the pot sit until it cools, and then put it in the refrigerator until it chills.
Or you can do the quick version, which uses half the water, dissolve the ingredients, pour it in the ice and water, and you have instant cold.
So you're shaving off maybe 2-3 hours of that whole process. And then, of course, you're going to add the brisket. Now, we use first cut brisket because we like that for sandwiches.
Absolutely.
And
first class or no class at all.
Well, no, it's not that it's first class. It's just first cut. Second cut is Deckle. And that's also very good too. It's just fattier.
We love the Deckle.
We do. And then you give it a 5-day vacation in the refrigerator, and it gets nice and chilled. You turn it a couple of times.
Then just dump the brine, rinse the meat, and slowly cook it with a bit more pickling spice.
Now, we love our corned beef in sandwiches like reubens.
Or corned beef hash. You can make corned beef hash, which is delicious.
Yeah, we have that on the site, a recipe for that.
Or if you want, corned beef and cabbage. And the cabbage, the potatoes, and the carrots are added in the last part of making the
30 minutes or
about
so.
30 minutes or so. Yeah. The last part of making the corned beef.
Now, there you have it. It's that simple. Corned beef in time for St. Patrick's Day. And both of us want to wish you a Yo, Danny boy.
Oh my God. Don't sing.
The pipes are calling from glen to glen.
I'm so sorry.
Down the river, mountainside.